Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning viewers, I'm Salsabila Rihadatul. Today Wednesday, March 9, 2022. Happy gathering with us in Alia News program, which will provide you to the real news which is taken factually and actually, either international and national. I'll accompany you about 3 minutes with the hardest of information. Well, let's begin the news today. Indonesia ready to fight Omicron. The World Health Organization has reported in December 15, 2021 that the Omicron variant has now spread to 77 countries. On December 16, the Indonesian government has announced that the Omicron variant had been detected in Indonesia. One cleaning worker at Wisma Atlet, the hospital for COVID-19 in Jakarta, was positively infected. In response to this situation, President Joko Widodo conveyed 4 instructions. First, he asked the public not to panic and encouraged everyone to get vaccinated immediately. He also reminds the people to strictly implement health protocols. The president also temporarily prohibits officials and citizens from traveling abroad. The government prohibits the entry of foreigners who have a travel history to infect countries in the last 14 days, and that a 10-day quarantine for travelers coming from other countries. Sadiq also said that the country's whole genome sequencing testing has been increased to screen for the Omicron, especially for inbound travelers. We want to reduce the runtime for the YYGS to 5 days instead of 2 weeks, or even down to just 3 days if possible, Sadikin. More vaccination, better protection. The vaccination program is one of the frontline strategies in Indonesia to fight off the pandemic, especially to reduce fatality and safeguard the economy. Despite the country's place at the top 25 most vaccinated countries based on our World in Data released December 2021, with a total of 103 million people fully vaccinated, the Ministry of Health is still aiming for a higher number by expanding recipient group to age 6 and above. Yes, the children's risk is low. They won't go to the hospital, but they can transmit the virus to their parents or grandparents, explained the Minister of Health at the press conference. Besides the primary vaccination program, vaccine booster for the public will begin distribution in January 2022, starting with the elderly and vulnerable groups recipients before continuing to the rest of the people. All the extensive anticipation is hoped to protect the country in the fight against Omicron. The plan ensures that Indonesia's economy is self-required and able to run the business as usual, even amid the continuing pandemic. Indonesia has experienced a significant downturn of COVID-19 cases in the second half of this year after the vaccination program rolled out for the public mid-year. The number of active cases keeps declining and is currently manageable at under 500 nationwide. Finally, and all of crews of Alia News say have a wonderful day. See you next time and bye-bye. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.